This is string 3, the problem is mirror ends, and the problem reads, given a string, look for a mirror image string at both the beginning and the end of the given string. In other words, 0 or more characters at the very beginning of the given string and at the very end of the given string in reverse order. For example, the string ABXYZBA has the mirror end AB. For this problem, we want to have a couple of variables. First, we're going to create an integer variable called length to hold string.length. Then we want to create a string variable called result to hold the output. And we're going to create two temp variables to temporarily hold string variables throughout the program. Now for this, we want to have a for loop I equals 0 and run it till the length of the string and I plus plus. Now inside we want to set temp1 to string.substring I comma I plus 1. We want to continuously add to temp1 and we're going to set temp2 to nothing. And inside this for loop, we're going to run another for loop for int j equals temp1 dot length minus 1, and j is greater than or equal to 0, and j minus minus. And we're going to set temp2 to temp1 dot substring j comma j plus 1. And then we're going to check if temp2 dot equals string dot substring length minus I comma minus I minus 1 comma length then result equals temp1. And at the end of the whole for loop, we're going to return results.